Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's discussion, I want to talk about semiconductor ETF SOXL, ticker symbol SOXL. Many of you already know that ETF is a very risky stock to trade or invest because if the stock market go down 1 point, ETF 3 times may go down 3 points. So because of that, a lot of brokers that you use for your trading, they always provide a warning that semiconductor ETF or any other ETF will carry higher risk than regular stock. So let's dive into SOXL. All right, so currently the stock price is at around $12.05. Okay, it went down 14% today because of course, because of the bad news from the market and because of semiconductor stock like NVIDIA, TSM. Those semiconductor stock are down currently, and that causing the ETF XOXL to go down as well because those semiconductor stock are contained inside ETF SOXL. So should you invest in ETF stock like XOXL? As I mentioned earlier, ETF always carry higher risk than the regular stock because of their volatility. They can go up so much so fast, and they can go down so much so fast as well. So if you look back in July, from the beginning of July, XOXL was down to almost like $10 something, and then it took about a month later, and then the stock went back up to $22, and now it's gonna go back down again to the $12 range. So will it go down to $10 or below? I don't really know because of the current market condition right now. You got inflation keep going up, you got the Fed keep raising rate to fight inflation, and you got a current war in Ukraine and many other things. Okay, and then also the housing market right now, people think there might be a bubble. I don't know for sure, and because of that, if XOXL ever go down to below $10, it may go down to even $5 because ETF have no limit how low they can go or how high they can go. It can go up as high as few $1,000 a share or even higher. SOXL a couple years ago, it went up as high as I believe $600 a share, and then it split it. Now it's down to $12, but it also can go down pretty low. It can go down to $2 or even lower. If you look back in March 2020 when the stock market crashed due to COVID, I think it went down to like $5 a share, but then it took about 6 months, and then it went back up to $30 range, and then it went as high as $70 later on during the year. So if you invest in this stock ETF XOXL, just be cautious. Don't go heavily into it. Always use dollar cost average. Invest what you can afford to lose only. I think it's gonna go back up eventually. It may take time to go back up to the $20 range or higher once all this bad news from stock market is over. But for now, because September is a bad month for stock in general. In addition, the U.S. just banned NVIDIA's to sell their artificial intelligence chip to China and Russia, and that's not helping SOXL. Hopefully things will start picking up and XOXL will start to go back up. I mean, it's cheap, we need it, so no doubt about it. All right, if you have any questions, send me an email, write me a comment, let me know, and we'll talk about it together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.